What's up, guys? So today we are making another video. Today is going to be Sonic X, but it's going to be Chaos. The code is PCM no 08, and then no dot is 21. So click those in, type it in, then we're going to do Chaos. It's going to be Chaos, trust me.
And they can't take that away.
This is really hard though, like really hard. And then you gotta click the space button at the same time. I mean at the right time, it's really hard.
It's quite profound.
Intruded. I'm sorry you guys can't hear, but you guys could see at least. Let's see how fast you could really go. What? What?
What else?
Bullshit.
Stay tuned for In the Making on Chipway artist Jonathan Thunder and new poet Jamaica Osorio. Major support for American Masters provided by.
These days, we need each other more than ever. That's why AARP created Community Connections. An online tool to find or create a mutual aid.
What?
Get help or help those in need. Stay connected with AARP.
Support for American Masters provided by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, Cheryl and Philip Milstein family, Judith and Burton Wesley, Seton J. Melvin, the Blanchard Irving Maury Foundation.
Oh my God.
The Lillian Goldman Program Endowment, the Ambrose Noel Foundation, the Philip and Janice Levin Foundation, Ellen and James S. Marcus, the Andre and Elizabeth Cortez Foundation, Sue and Edgar Wagenheim III, the Rosalind P. Walter Foundation, the Tea Petschek Irvalino Foundation, Sue and Patricia Newman.
Okay, that's harder than I remember.
Support for Buffy St. Marie Carry It On provided by Telefilm Canada, Canada Media Fund, Ontario Creates, Rogers Documentary Fund, and by contributions to the PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Too slow. What a classic. Oh, this is the long part, but the hard part. We gone super. He's getting mad. I hate this. What the heck? I'm lagging.
Basically was draw a happy face and draw a sad face. And I remember
Stop.
not knowing how to do it. My mom sat down with me, she saw that I'd been sitting there for a while, and she was like, why don't you try this? And she drew 2 circles. And in one she put 2 dots with a smile, and the other she put 2 dots and a frown. And I remember my little 3rd grade brain, like,
Who knew?
was blown. And I remember thinking, I want to learn how to draw like a great artist like my mom is. It's so far-fetched that there's no way you could have made it up. So it has to come from somewhere, which makes it amazing.
Let's see how fast you could really go. Crap, 6 misses? What? I clicked space. Oh my god, I clicked space though. I mean, like, I don't understand. What? The Chaos Emeralds combined into the Master Emerald. Why is this thing keep coming up?
Always think about identity, and I'll take the different chunks that would make a character who they are, and I'll just like build them, like you would build a robot or Voltron or something. So this mask, with this animal, and this suit or dress, with these shoes, that's who that person is. It's kind of a mix between, I would say, things that I like in contemporary.
I'm about to be done with this stupid game, I swear to God.
Like a sprinkle of Ojibwe perspective, sometimes like Ojibwe mythology. Maybe my brain just works that way. Like if there's an image, there's got to be a story.
What's happening? What the heck?
You can hear their pounding steps and their shrieks. The animal usually pushed his legs to the limits of their speed. The stone behind him usually sank, pitching the Wendigos into the water.
Psych.
The Wendigos thrashed the water while trying to stay afloat. This is story time for Middle. So how about you hang out up here? During the first year of the pandemic in 2020, we were living in central Minnesota, which is heavily Paul Bunyan country. Paul Bunyan is
Too slow, for real. Stop it, too slow.
to make the land grant and resource
It seems like you're too slow because you're the one who's losing.
tribes to make it look noble, to give it a noble face. So on the grave of the giant is the scene of an Ojibwe couple harvesting wild rice, which is something that's considered by a lot of people synonymous with Anishinaabe and Ojibwe identity.
What?
Underneath the water is the corpse of Paul Bunyan engraved in blue rocks. Also,
When I was in school, I used to play FNF all the time. But then I stopped playing it. What? And then I ended up getting better as and then I got back to playing it a few days ago. Actually, a week ago.
we had a print of his work in our house when I was a kid. Charlie's style was different. It was kind of cute. He wasn't paying attention to proportions, the human anatomy and proper placement of joints and stuff like that. He was just making art. To me, that was really interesting, and it was freeing. He really kind of just inspired me, to pursue the kind of artwork that I do today. Painting is just what I know, but I love creating visually, working on a tablet, animating in animation software.
I'm done, to be honest. I'm done. That was enough for me. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you later.